Welcome back to High Peaks Home. Today is just going to be a quick little before and after of a project I'm doing for a customer. And it's a pretty simple one. It's just it's just a really tall closet, really, with a built-in shelves. So, let me show you the before. Any of you that's been loyal to the channel, you know that I've been here before. And this is the tool room that we did the conversion on last year. And this here, the shelving unit that I have you looking at, they keep a whole bunch of different things in there. And they wanted to have a floor to ceiling build-in to put all the stuff in so it's nice and organized and concealed. And so that's what we're going to do. Well, there you have it. The built-in's done. I'm excited. It was a lot of fun to come in here and do some real finish work and be away from Frankie for a little while and just really let my juices flow, my creativity. And because, I mean, this is a simple item. It's just holding sporting goods for this customer, but they wanted it a build-in instead of a bunch of plastic shelves. So that's what we did. The doors, I ended up using pocket door tracks because I couldn't get double bypass tracks without a huge lead time. Thank you, COVID. And they wanted the shelves adjustable, so I have the holes drilled all the way down on both sides and front and back. The cavity up top is full width on either side. There's a dividing wall right here. And then this side is the same, it's just mirrored on this one. I do have a little outlet access here. Customer didn't want to have the outlet right in the cabinet, so we do have one that's behind here, but they didn't want one on that wall, so we just did a little access panel for them. On this one, these shelves are mirrored to those. And this one has an open cavity. You know, we can fit ladders in here and other large tools. And I did upgrade the track rollers up on top so that they have full ball bearing rollers instead of just the janky plastic ones. Just knowing, these doors are really heavy and I wanted longevity. So it's worth it, upgrade the rollers, we're all set. So if you have any questions about it, please drop a comment down below and I'd love to hear from you. I'm stoked. I think it turned out really nice.